Good morning, second grade. This week we're starting a new unit. We're beginning this unit, we're going to work on shapes, naming objects and knowing their attributes. Our I can statement is, I can recognize and draw shapes with specific attributes, such as a given number of angles or a given number of equal faces. Before we read a book about shapes, let's talk about some important vocabulary words you need to know. A polygon is any shape with 3 or more sides that's closed. A side is a line used to form a polygon. An angle are 2 lines that come together to form a point. A vertex is the corner of a shape, and a quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. Let's look at this shape. How many sides and vertices does it have? It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. How many vertices does it have? It has 3. 1, 2, 3. So the shape is a triangle because it has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Let's listen to a story about a greedy triangle. Okay, would you listen to your story a second time? This time I want you to create the shapes. Think about the shapes as they are, as the triangle changes. Now that you've learned some more about shapes, let's answer some questions. What do you call a 3-sided shape? That's right, it's a triangle because it has 3 sides. And what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Now, let's see if you can fill in this polygon chart. Use a sheet of paper to complete it. You're going to work on this name of the shape. It's a triangle. You're going to draw the shape and then list the number of sides and the number of vertices. You'll do the same for a quadrilateral, a pentagon, and a hexagon. You can go back to the video if you want to learn some more. All right, now we have some assignments. I want you to go on iReady Math, complete the first lesson under Understanding Attributes of Shapes. This will be on the teacher assigned portion of your iReady Math. Then, the next thing I want you to do is go around your house and find at least 2 triangles and 4 different quadrilaterals. And I'll give you a hint. A window is a quadrilateral. Great job. And now here's a great Jack Hartman video for you.